Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something kind of fun. It's kind of crafty, but sewing related. We're going to make some double-sided zipper pulls. I know, right? So these are super fun. They are just made from some charms and a couple of just these jump rings. They're double jump rings though. So regular jump rings are basically one piece of metal looped once. These are looped twice for added security. And it's just attached to a zipper pull that I had. So there's two sides to these. They're all really, really cute. Look at this one. We're going to make this one today. This one says best of the 90s. So they're super, super cute. They're a little heavy just because of the charms that I bought. You can really make these with any type of charms. And they come kind of in a bag like this. These are painted. So when you're attaching these, some of your paint may rub off. So just keep that in mind with any of the painted ones. But this is how they came. And I found myself thinking, oh, I thought I was going to make some really simple zipper pulls. And then it was white on the other side. I'm like, well, that's ugly because when this is dangling, you can kind of see both sides when you're putting it on a bag or on a pouch. And I don't want that to show. That's just terrible. So I decided to make them double-sided. So I'm going to show you how I make them. And hopefully you can make some of your own and make some really unique handbags. Okay, let's start by talking about the tools that you're going to need. I have a pair of wire cutters. This little tool came with my jump rings, my double jump rings, and this little part helps to open up the ring. And then some needle nose pliers, E6000 glue, a couple of charms, and this zipper pull. Any type of zipper pull will be fine, but I chose this one because I wanted it to be dangly. And on this one, this little loop opens up and I can just take this part off and add anything else and keep this middle part intact. So that's why I chose this one. This was just free zipper pulls that came with a bunch of zipper tape that I ordered on Amazon. So I have a ton of them. So I don't care about hacking into them and creating a different pull. And then you're going to need these jump rings that I mentioned. So I have two sizes. You don't really need two sizes. One will be fine, but I just wanted to show you what they look like. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but they have, see where you can see that there's two loops with them. So hard to kind of get this thing to focus so you can see it. Anyway, trust me, there's two loops. So you just need a couple of those. And I'm just going to grab a paper towel just so I don't mess up my surface here when I do the gluing. And that should be it. Okay, let's start off by taking this apart first. So we're going to take this bottom piece off and we're going to leave everything out. So all you need to do is grab some wire cutters and you're just going to snip that bottom piece on one side and then on the other side. And it just pops right off. And now you just have the one pull. Okay, so this next part's a little tricky. I sometimes have to loosen up this jump ring by putting this tool in the middle. This is the larger of the two jump rings. If you are going to copy exactly what I did, I'm using a big one and a little one. You don't need to, but it's what I have, so that's what I'm going to use. So you basically want to place your tool and push in between the jump rings. I like to stretch them out a little just so I can get it through this piece because mine, the charms that I'm using are really thick. So it is really, really difficult to get these in. So you're going to then place one of the ends into the hole and try to get it kind of in between here. And it doesn't always want to cooperate. So you gotta kind of play with it so that you can try and get it in the hole. I think I'm in. So then you'll take your other one, to flip this over, and that same piece you just slip through the hole of this one, you're going to slip through the hole of this one. So make sure they are wrong sides together when you do this. And try and get it in there. Oh, I'm losing it. There we go. They will slip. Okay, so I have it in. All right, so then, now that you have it part way in, don't put it in all the way. You just want it to go a little bit further. And then you want to grab your little ring and I'll try to like add that to the loop. It'll try to bounce on you. Then grab your pliers and just kind of pull everything through. Okay, so now we're on. So now we have this piece on. So next what you're going to do is you're going to take this zipper pull and notice, I don't know if you can see this on camera, there is a little loop kind of here at the bottom. Can you see the loop? There you go. So basically you want to take your pliers and you're going to open up that loop. So I'm just going to slide mine in. This is why I like needle nose pliers, because they're nice and skinny. And I just hold the zipper end with my fingers and I pull as much as you can. So now I have a nice like opening is there. And I'm going to slide this in. So slide one of the ends. Smaller ring for me. It's going to go in. Oh, hold on. I think I slid the, I didn't slide my ring all the way through. There we go. Now we're good. So now you're going to go ahead and slip this on. It just came loose because I didn't slide it all the way through. All right, so slip this on, grab your pliers, and close this. Oops. I think I'm good. So now it's all closed. So now they're loose though. So now what do you do? So I'm going to grab a towel just so I can protect my surface and some E6000 glue. Okay, so I'm going to separate my two poles, or charms I should say. And just going to add some glue. To the inside. I'm going to add a little bit more to this other side. These are pretty deep, so I end up needing like a lot of glue to keep them together. Okay, so now place them wrong sides together, and if it oozes, just gently press it together and wipe off your excess with your finger. That's okay. You can also use hot glue. Hot glue would also work in this instance. I don't know where my hot glue gun is, so I'm using an E6000. This takes about 24 hours to cure, so that's the only downfall of E6000, but it sticks to like anything. So I like using it for stuff like this that I know I want to make sure lasts over time, especially if it's going to be like used in a bag. I don't necessarily trust hot glue for things like this. I think I'm good. Yep. How cute is this? This really is adorable. I like them because they're painted and they look like really, really cute. I was kind of hoping I can find some in like acrylic or something so that it wouldn't, like the paint wouldn't rub off when I was trying to put the rings on. But I think it's adorable. I hope you do too. So cute. So they're going to slide a little bit, so just be careful. You definitely want them to cure, so make sure you give them time. So again, it's so cute. Now I have a pair here. You can even make earrings like this. That would be cute. They would be really, really cute earrings. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is a quick one. But I hope you learned something. I hope you try this with other charms, whether you make them two-sided or one-sided. They are super fun and they add some like really cool flair and uniqueness to your bag or your zipper pouch, whatever you're going to use them for. But I do hope you try this out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Leave me a comment, ask me some questions, go for it. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Really helps. And it also helps if you subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe and I post a new video, you get a notification. So you'll always know when my videos go up and get posted so you can watch the next one. Let me know if there's any other topics you want me to cover. I'll try to do more of these. I do like a lot of little crafty projects here and there in addition to sewing, so I'll try to post some more. But in the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful day. Again, please like, subscribe, and also join my Facebook group. There's so many great sewists there that can really help you with sewing tips and tricks. So I hope I see you there as well. Until next time, bye.